Good afternoon, delegates. The pitchforks are coming. Comrades will certainly recognize this metaphor. It symbolizes revolution from the last couple of centuries, where the peasants, battered and downtrodden, took up all sorts of arms, including farmers with their pitchforks, and took their economies from the greed and excesses of the rich. So, just recently, one of the world's richest men, Nick Hanover, has been warning that if there is not something done to resolve the inequalities, then watch out, the pitchforks are coming. So what are these numbers amongst the pitchforks? Well, they are the numbers that tell the story of that inequality. Our first number is 85. 85, because 85 individuals own as much wealth as the poorest 3.5 million people in the world. 18.5% of the world's workers earn less than $1.25 US a day. 500,000, the wealth of the richest 85 in the world increased by $500,000 US every minute in 2013. 30 million jobs have been lost in the current financial crisis. 40% of workers are in jobs in the so-called informal sector with no rights and no minimum wage. 86% of garment workers in Bangladesh are women. Out of the world's richest 30 people, only 3 are women. For every $1 received for aid in developing countries, $25 is paid by those same countries on debt repayments. Number 7, out of 10 workers live in an economy where the gap between rich and poor is wider than it was 30 years ago. Number 25, women earn on average 25% less than men. 23 million. This is the number of lives that could be saved through health care by a 1.5% increase in tax on the richest 85. 50% of women in the sub-Saharan region of Africa give birth alone and in unsafe conditions. 20 million voices in uni against inequality and injustice and for workers' rights. We as workers and communities across all continents must rise against inequality and the race to the bottom that are imposed upon us by multinational corporations. We must unite in solidarity. We have nothing to lose but the chains that binds us. Amandla! Kina Basabenzi, Kina! Viva Uni, viva! Thank you, comrades.